If you're using Ideogram to create graphics, colouring pages, or anything, I want to show you how to adjust your settings so you can get really cheap generations using less credits. Now, let me go ahead and just use one of these. Let's put this prompt in the box because we're going to use that in a second. But to actually play around with your settings and use less credits, what you want to do is click on to the prompt box. Then we want to come here to where it says the model number. Now, if we click on here, we can see number of images, the model number, and the rendering speed. Now, all of these together will determine how many credits you use when you're generating your images. So if we click on number of images, let's go with 1. We can see that now this has been reduced to half a credit per generation. But all of these model numbers play a big part as well. Now, I don't suggest going through and using these other ones because we want to use the latest model, but if we click on 1.0, we can now see this has been reduced to quarter of a credit, 2A, 0.125 credit, 2.0, 0.25, but we are going to use the latest model. But now if we play around with rendering speed, we're going to see these credits increase. So turbo is half a credit for one generation, or should I say one image. Default bumps it up to 1 credit, and then quality, if we click on there, bumps it up to 1.5. So let's keep quality. Let's do number of images 1 on 3.0. It's going to cost 1.5 credit. If we do 2 images, it's going to cost 3 credits. If we click on 3, it's going to cost 4.5 credits for these 3 images. And if we click on 4, it's now going to cost 6 credits on 3.0 using quality. But let's say we do 4 images on 3.0, but change it to default. Well, that's now only going to use 4 credits. But if we click on turbo, that's now bumped it down to 2 credits for 4 images using 3.0. Now, this was the settings that I had for a very long time. But recently, instead of creating 4 images at a time, I've started doing 2. So if we click on 2 images, 3.0 and turbo, it's only going to cost 1 credit for these 2 generations. So as you can see, you can really reduce your credit spend when generating anything here in Ideogram. Now, if we hover over this, it says it uses 1 credit per generation, but that 1 generation can produce 2 images. So if we come over to here, I currently have 12,774 credits. So remember that 74. But now, if we generate this on these settings and create 2 images, we're going to click generate. We'll just give that a second for it to do its thing as well, just like that. But now if we come back over to here, we can see 73 instead of 74. So it cost 1 credit to create these 2 images using 3.0 and render speed turbo. So I highly suggest playing around with these settings. If you want to create a lot of images, then you can use 4, but keep it on turbo instead of default. Default does 4 credits and quality does 6. Now with turbo, the generations are pretty quick anyway, so there's not much difference. But then if you do really want to reduce that, knock it down to 2 images, and again, you're only going to use 1 credit per generation for 2 images. Now, if you've seen all these mandalas, and if you create mandala colouring pages, I don't know if you do, I don't know if you don't, but I do actually have a freebie called 100 Ideogram Mandala Prompts with 180 prompts that you can play around with. Now, I'll link this down in the description, and if you want to check it out and grab it, simply come to Name a Fair Price, click on there, enter 0, and then just go through the steps. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to really reduce your credit spend here in Ideogram. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and have a watch of this.